All right, guys. Happy Wednesday, March 4th. We are out here in Atlanta, Georgia. We are about to do a small screen of recoat for a new client that found me online. He did pay for an in-home consultation. Honestly, the floors, they're on the verge of needing to be sanded, but you know, he said this is just a rental property. You don't want to put too much into it, so I told him I'd do my best, which is what I guarantee with my screen of recoat is a 50 to an 80% improvement. Actually went out this morning and did a consultation. They booked on the spot. So let me show you guys what we got going today. All right, guys, so we're out here in Atlanta. We actually went out to Douglasville. I had a job that I did 3 weeks ago, and I had a ride along with me, and it was just a few minor corrections that we had to make. So we went and did that for my client, Shay, Mr. Martin, and let me show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so these are the floors right here. And now these floors are stained, so we don't want to go too aggressive. Right here, we got some chunks right there. I didn't notice that last time. And then over here, see right there. All this is just the finish. It's kind of almost like it's something caused it to kind of bubble up. So what I'm gonna do is screen this down. See all right here. So really, guys, this is a floor that really needs to be sanded, but I told my client what I can and can't do. But we are gonna make this floor look better, all right, than what it is. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. All right, stay tuned.
Yeah, Truman in the city, but hustle don't stop, hustle don't quit. Every single day we out here getting it. From the mud to the mission, we're grinding with precision. Truman, shiny flute floated through the midnight. ATL hustle, yeah, the grind still there. Screen on the float, UV light glow. 1A service got the whole place go. Clients looking sharp when the shine hit the wood. Truman in the game and we doing it good. Boom, 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 boom. Truman. He rise with the grind, we move with the drum. From the struggle of the dirt, where the vision come from. Hands on the craft, built by the grind. On the operator with a warrior mind. Boom clap, boom clap, boom clap, boom clap. Hustle don't stop, hustle don't quit. Every single day we out here getting it. Slurring ATL streets to the top of the biz. Truman on the job, yeah, we built for this. UV light flash when the finish go down. Whole damn room when the shine come around. Slide guitar, crying in the midnight breeze. Hard work, hustle built the legacy. The hustle don't stop, the hustle don't quit. Every single day we out here beating it. Started from the mud, now the city know the name.
Alright, y'all, that's gonna do it. Floors came out amazing. Client loves the results. You see those? It was three holes. Tavares filled those with our hard wax kit. This floor right here looks so much better. Again, not perfect, but a whole lot better than what it was. Oh yeah, oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. So my client was just telling me, he said, Corey, I buy a lot of these properties, so he's going to be using us for more properties. Oh, that looks good. All right. Tavares just doing a few touch-ups. All right, guys, just going to do it. All right, see you in the next one. I won't be working tomorrow. Tomorrow to do a consultation. I have 4 consultations tomorrow, and I will be back at it Friday. All right, guys, see you in the next one.